Welcome to my author's chair, my audience. Book 1, A Teacher That Drinks Hot Cocoa. Great for rainy days. It was a rainy day. Miss Teacher found a recipe book that helped her make hot cocoa. Notes were added on top. Then she had hot cocoa and read a book. Book 2, The Crayon's Day at the Library is a fun book. Crayon was looking for his color orange jacket. Then he went to the library. He read and read until he was tired. Crayon wanted to stay forever. He went home happy. Book 3, Rescue Squad. A story about safety first. Milo the lion was hurt because he scraped his knee in Animal City. The rescue squad came to help him up. They said, "Slow down next time." They went away and Lion felt happy. The end.
Good story.
Book 4, The Horse, about friendship. Next, the horse liked to go on picnics. Then a person came and they shared the apples and the carrots and they had a great evening.